In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Rainbet Australia. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now just make sure you are registered on your account and then go ahead, click on your wallet, or besides this to choose the currency that you want to use, as you can see. Then go to wallet, and here just make sure you're on deposit, then select crypto. As you can see, this is the crypto that you can deposit. If you are asking how to deposit your crypto, just go ahead, click on buy crypto at the top, and then pay with your credit card. As you can see, you can select Moon Pay, then continue with it to buy with Google Pay or MasterCard or Visa or Apple Pay. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.